Does your brain sometimes just freeze up, you forget things mid-sentence, or you try to learn something new only to forget it days later? It's not because your mind is broken. The truth is, your brain has an incredible ability to rewire, adapt, and grow at any age. Most people aren't tapping into it the right way, but here's how you can do it. In this video, we'll break down how your brain really works and how you can build new mental highways that help you to learn faster, improve your memory, and keep your mind sharp no matter your age. I'm Angela. After studying and applying hundreds of books, I've seen firsthand just how much faster we can grow when we use our brain correctly. So stick around, because towards the end, we'll be sharing 9 powerful ways to permanently strengthen and expand your brain's capabilities. Let's start by understanding, why does your brain feel slow? The answer lies in how you have been using your brain, and therefore unknowingly training it to function in a certain way. And it all starts with an understanding of neuroplasticity, which is the brain's natural ability to rewire and adapt. Let's take a look at this recent video from my business reading graphics, which explains what neuroplasticity is all about. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to change and reorganize its functions. It all starts with your brain's neurons, tiny cells that send and receive electrochemical signals, allowing you to think, move, and feel. Humans have about 100 billion neurons, and between them are microscopic spaces called synapses. Signals travel across these synapses, forming pathways in your brain. Think of neurons like destinations and your synapses like roads connecting them. When you practice a skill or think in a certain way, you are strengthening those roads, making it faster and easier for signals to travel. At first, learning something new is like hiking through a dense forest. It's slow, messy, and exhausting. But with enough repetition, you start to clear a small trail, then a proper path, and with enough time, you build a wide, smooth highway where information flows quickly and easily. In short, your brain is like a living, learning machine, constantly rewiring itself based on what you do, think, and feel. When you do something repeatedly, neural pathways become so strong that the action feels effortless. Each time you practice a new skill or even shift how you think, you are creating and strengthening new pathways. Each time you repeat a habit, you reinforce that mental connection. And when skills or habits are neglected, the connections weaken and fade over time. Your brain stays plastic for life. This means you can keep learning, adapting, and building new pathways no matter your age or background. So, if your brain feels slow or overloaded, it's not because it's broken. It's because it hasn't been trained properly for deep, complex work. Now, if you spend the most of your time responding to emails, scrolling through notifications, or looking up quick answers online, your brain gets wired for short-term attention and surface-level thinking. You have built strong mental highways, but for shallow work. And these neural pathways reinforce default behaviors and habits like forgetfulness, distraction, and mental fatigue. So when you actually need to do deep thinking, like solving tough problems, learning complex skills, or recalling important information, your brain actually struggles because the mental connections for those type of work haven't been built properly yet. The good news? Your brain can rebuild and strengthen those pathways starting today. And it all comes down into how you tap into neuroplasticity to challenge, fuel, and train your brain daily. Now, to rewire your brain, you need to work on 3 critical areas. And for each area, I'm going to share 3 simple habits that you can use to start building a stronger, sharper brain. Let's dive into the first area, mental exercise. Here's a reading graphics explainer on why this matters and what you can do. If you want a sharper, faster brain, you must train it, just like how you train a muscle to grow stronger. Every time you push your brain to focus, learn, and stretch beyond its comfort zone, you are building faster, stronger highways inside your mind. Mental training is proven to improve memory, sharpen focus, and even delay cognitive decline. Good brain exercises include doing something unfamiliar, like learning new skills, languages, or even thinking differently to force your brain to carve out new pathways. Reading, which concurrently strengthens comprehension, memory, critical thinking, and imagination. And playing cognitive games like puzzles, strategy games, and memory training to sharpen critical thinking and pattern recognition. So, how can you build these elements into your life right away? Here are some personal tips that I found to work really well. Instead of passively watching TV or browsing social media after work, how about researching and trying out new skills that you are unfamiliar with, like digital sketching or starting your own recycling project? Even short bursts of intense learning can expand your brain's neural network. Or pick up a book on any subject that interests you. Reading actually engages your brain in a different way from video or audio. Just 15 to 30 minutes of deep reading daily is proven to improve cognitive function. If you find it hard to get started, try linking it to an existing habit. Say, after I get into bed, I will read for 15 minutes. This is called habit stacking, and we explain more about it in another video. If you find it hard to read a text-heavy book, you can start with free bite-sized summaries for my business reading graphics linked below. Or how about converting family time into game time with cognitive games like memory puzzles, strategy games, or riddles? That's a great way to bond, have fun, and exercise your brain all at the same time. You can also try puzzles like Sudoku, crossword puzzles, or brain teasers on your own. The more you stretch and challenge your brain through these habits, the more you upgrade your brain's internal network, making it faster, stronger, and more resilient over time. But you also need energy to fuel your mental exercise. And that's where the second area comes in, energy and recovery. Think about it. How often has your brain felt foggy or unfocused because you're too hungry or tired? The truth is that most of us don't move, rest, or eat the way our body needs. If you want the scientific evidence behind that, do check out our summary for good energy, which is in the link below. But for now, let's review this quick video from Reading Graphics on how to energize our brain. Your brain is like a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel and maintenance to build strong pathways and operate optimally. Here are 3 essential ways to power and protect your brain. First, move your body regularly. Physical movement boosts blood flow, delivers vital nutrients to your brain, and stimulates the growth of new brain cells. Next, get enough sleep. During sleep, your brain consolidates memories, clears waste, and strengthens the neural pathways you built during the day. It's like having a dedicated night crew repairing your brain's network while you rest. Third, give your brain the materials it needs to function well. Consume brain foods like omega-3s, antioxidants, and hydration, all of which are essential building blocks for the brain. Now, when people hear about exercise, food, and sleep, their first reaction is usually, "This is common sense, I already know it." Well, if that's what you are thinking, then let's try a mini experiment. For the next week, why not put this to the test and see the effects for yourself? Use a timer throughout your day. After every 90 minutes of sitting down, get up and do 5 minutes of movement like a brisk walk, dynamic stretches, or a few bodyweight squats. These simple activities get your blood flowing, sharpen your focus, and re-energize your brain naturally. In this other video, we explain how the mind, body, and emotions are all interlinked. So for the next week, aim to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night at around the same time, even on weekends. Keeping a regular sleep schedule actually helps with memory, focus, and emotional balance. So even if you're busy, give it a shot. You'll be amazed at how much sharper your mind feels after just a few nights. Ever heard of the phrase, "You are what you eat"? That's true, literally. Just think about it. Every cell in your body is powered by the food that you consume each day. Just like how a car cannot run on dirty fuel, your brain cannot function well on sugary processed foods without enough nutrients. So this coming week, try eating only nutrient-rich foods like leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts, and plenty of water. Cut out all sugary snacks and processed foods. You'll start to feel your brain clearing up within just a few days. Besides exercising and energizing the brain, we need one last component, a brain-friendly environment. Even the best-built highways will be slow if they are blocked by debris. To keep your brain operating at full speed, you need to clear both your physical and mental spaces. First, train your brain to stay present with mindfulness. This is about strengthening your ability to focus on one thing at a time, while removing mental noise that drains your energy. Next, train your brain for deep work without distractions. Like how a computer slows down when you have too many tasks running concurrently, multitasking overloads your brain's RAM and fragments your attention. And lastly, surround yourself with like-minded people, ideas, and materials that stimulate your brain to keep learning and growing. Think of this like giving your mental garden some fresh air, sunshine, and clean water, instead of choking it with weeds and pollution. These mental changes will declutter your mental pathways, so important signals can travel faster and more efficiently through your brain. And this brings deeper focus, better thinking, better memory, and a healthier brain. How can you start making these a reality in the coming weeks? Let's start with some baby steps. If you already have a meditation practice, that's great. Otherwise, just start with a simple 10-minute breathing exercise as soon as you wake up or just before you start on important work. This clears the mind and prepares your brain to engage with the task ahead of you. Set aside one slot at the start of each day for focused work or to learn something new. Keep only the materials that you need for the session and remove everything else. If you have a quiet work corner, that's great. Otherwise, put on some music that meets the task, set a timer, and focus only on the task until the time is up. We explore more ways to improve focus in this other video. How about positive stimulation? This week, spend some time around curious, growth-minded people. Switch out mindless browsing for deep, high-quality content. And add inspiring works and ideas to your workspace. If you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Your brain isn't fixed. It's trainable, it's rebuildable, and it's changing every day based on how you use it or neglect it. So the next time your brain feels slow, ask yourself, am I building good habits that help my brain to grow stronger? Small daily choices compound into massive long-term brain benefits. Every time you challenge your mind, fuel your body, and create a brain-friendly environment, you're building a sharper, faster, and more adaptable brain for life. So here's your challenge. Pick just one habit from today's video. Maybe it's committing 15 minutes of deep reading, or protecting your focus for 1 hour a day for deep work, or getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep tonight. Whatever you choose, start now. Put your choice in the comments and share your experience. By investing in your brain, you affect all parts of your body and life now and in the future. So thanks for watching. Join us for more videos where we share powerful ideas from top books refined through real-life experience. Don't forget to check out more free resources on maximizing your brain power in the links below. I'll see you in the next video, and let's keep growing together.